It seems like you're asking about python snakes. If you're referring to python, the type of snake, here's a detailed explanation. Python snakes overview. Python snakes are large, non-venomous constrictor snakes belonging to the Pythonidae family. They are found primarily in sub-Saharan Africa, Southeast Asia, and parts of Australia. Pythons are known for their impressive size, strength, and ability to constrict their prey. Size. Some species of pythons are among the largest snakes in the world. The reticulated python, scientifically known as Python reticulatus, can grow to lengths over 30 feet or 9 meters, though most species are smaller. Constrictors. Unlike venomous snakes, pythons kill their prey by constriction. They coil around their prey and squeeze tightly until the animal is suffocated. Once the prey is subdued, the python swallows it whole, aided by its highly flexible jaws and digestive system. Diet pythons are carnivores, and their diet mainly consists of mammals, birds, and sometimes reptiles. Their feeding can vary depending on the species, and some pythons are capable of eating relatively large prey compared to their body size. Pythons are generally solitary creatures and most are nocturnal. They are not aggressive toward humans unless threatened. When threatened, some species may strike, but they usually prefer to flee if given the chance. Pythons are often ambush predators, waiting for prey to come within striking distance before attacking. Pythons are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Female pythons can lay several dozen eggs, which they incubate by coiling around them to provide warmth. In some species, the female may also create a warm environment by shivering. Pythons do not have venom. They rely on their physical strength and constriction abilities to kill prey. However, some pythons, like the reticulated python, are incredibly powerful and can easily subdue large animals. Burmese python, also known as Python bivitatus, is native to Southeast Asia. This species is one of the largest in the world. It's often kept in captivity and has been an invasive species in Florida. Ball python or Python regius is a popular pet species. The ball python is relatively small compared to other pythons, growing to around 3 to 5 feet in length. It gets its name from its tendency to curl into a ball when threatened. Reticulated python, scientifically named Python reticulatus, is known as one of the longest snakes. This species can grow up to 30 feet or more. It is native to Southeast Asia and is known for its stunning pattern. Carpet python, or Morelia spilota, is found in Australia and New Guinea. Carpet pythons are often arboreal, meaning tree-dwelling, and are known for their beautiful variegated color patterns.